Do you think that Mexican people is discriminated in other countries?
Yes, they are. Absolutely. I have been to Chicago last year. Do you remember? I went to study there, and I lived there, and I saw people that were Mexican people, and they felt discriminated. So they tried to speak in English, and they tried to deny their own culture because they wanted to be like American people, but so they feel discriminated, and they feel bad. They couldn't get along well with others, and for them the life is very difficult because they feel they are separated from others, or they feel they don't have the same rights, or they feel they are different, and nobody likes to be different in that way. They feel they have different rights.